Hi guys, this is Irfan here at Georgetown Toyota, and today I'll be talking about ceramic coating. We do ceramic coating at Georgetown Toyota. It's called paint protection. And what it is we use a compound made of silicon polymer, and that silicon polymer is coated on top of the paint of the car. And what it does is it creates a protective hydrophobic layer on top of the paint. And the benefit of that is it protects the paint against UV radiation, it protects us against oxidation, bird droppings, and so forth. It keeps your car looking new for a long, long time as well. So what we have done on this particular Toyota Tundra is we have applied the ceramic coating on this side of the vehicle, and we have kept this bare. So now I'm gonna spray some water on top of the vehicle, and I'll show you how the beads are created. If you want to bring the camera closer, I'll show this to you. As you can see, the water is just falling off the car. And right over here, it's not coated at all, and you can see the water is going to lie over there. It's going to stay over there and create water spots. If you need any further information, guys, you can come and see me at Georgetown Toyota, and I can help you out. Take care.